These number lines are slightly different from the regular ones because the tens are shown instead of from 0, the tens are shown from a different number. Here it's 40 to 50 is 110. Here from 10 to 20, 20 to 30 are 2 tens. And in this case 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50. So students interpret these unconventional number lines and show them in base 10 symbols, write a number sentence and explain. Let's take card number 2. Now this starts from 20, 20 to 30 is 110, 2 tens and 3 tens. So I go ahead and make 3 10 longs, and 50 to 51 is 1 and then 2 units. So 3 tens is 30 plus 2 is 32. 3 tens and 2 ones make 32. Card number 1, it begins from 10, 1 10, 2 tens, 1 2 3 4 5 6 units, 2 tens and 6 ones. 2 tens is 20 plus 6 units is 26. 2 tens and 6 ones make 26. And last one. Card number 6. 20 to 30, 110, 2 tens and 3 tens. 1 2 3 10 longs. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 units. 6 7 units. 3 tens is 30 plus 7 is 37. 3 tens and 7 ones make 37. Directions help students work on this activity independently. Teacher exemplar sets expectations, and answers provide immediate feedback.